So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to have some fun and draw with me today? Yeah! Today, you and I are gonna draw a baby boy. Yeah, baby boy Daniel. Wow, what a curious baby boy. Yeah, do you know who takes care of him? ARPO. ARPO, the robot babysitter. Wow, to draw Daniel, I'm gonna use the color black. Let's start with his head. Let's go right here and start to go down and around, and then a little dip for the chin, and back up. Whoa, and around. And I'm gonna leave a gap right here because what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go like this. Whoa, and down and up. Whoa, yeah, that's because he has some cute hair up top. Yeah, just like that. Whoa, and then let's draw his ears. Yeah, 2 half circles just like that. And then for his bonnet, yeah, he always wears this on top of his head. Whoa, just like that. Whoa! Starting to look like a person, right? Okay, what do we need right here in the middle of the face that you can see with? Eyes! So let's draw a big circle like that, a big circle like that, and then another circle inside, another circle inside, and then, yeah, there we go. There we go. He's like, whoa, where'd ARPO go? Now let's draw a circle. Circle for the nose. There we go. And a big smile. Now he looks happy, right? Whoa, he is such a happy boy because ARPO is such a great babysitter. Okay, let's go like this. Down, down. There we go. And we'll go like that. And then shoulders. There we go. And we'll draw a straight line like this and some buttons. Yeah, he has some buttons on this side. Whoa, does he look happy? Yeah, he does. He's so happy because he has a great babysitter. And his eyes are blue. Yeah, he loves his blue eyes and he loves his babysitter. So let's color him in blue, and then right up here, let's go like this. Let's color in his blue bonnet, just like that. And there's that side, and now this side. Here we go. Whoa. There we go. Wow, what a cute, curious boy he is. And now let's draw some eyebrows. Boop, boop, nice and happy. Wow, did you have fun drawing with me? Yeah, I had fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!